So, good morning, all of you. Today, class for 7th class. Children, this is the first class for you in 7th class. So, that is the first lesson I am going to teach you today. That is the town mouse and the country mouse as children. So, all of you know already you have experienced in 6th class. So, whatever unit we start, before that we have to discuss about trigger page, children. So, with the help of the trigger page, we can understand about the unit. So, what about the unit? So, we can understand a little idea we will get as children. So, here also let us discuss about trigger page, children. So, first of all, children, I am going to teach you the lesson, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. Now I am going to show you the picture trigger page. So you have to observe the trigger page and questions will be asked under the picture. So to those questions we have to answer, children. First observe the picture carefully. Children, it is village atmosphere. Okay, village life. This is town, children. Town, village, town. Title also the town mouse and the country mouse as children. So first question, children, I am going to read out. Write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. Which type of differences can we find, children, in town and country? Children, country, it is nothing but village. Country means village. So, which type of differences can we find between town and the village? Children, here I am telling you. So, in villages, we can find soil roads. In towns, we can find tar roads. In countryside, we can find vehicles like bullock carts, tractors, rickshaws, what is that? Cycles, like that. In town, we can find autos, vans, cars, buses, like that. So, in villages, we can find tiled houses and thatched houses, like that. But in towns, in town we can find apartments, pakka buildings, like that. We can find multi-stored buildings, like that. Apartment is nothing but multi-stored building. Okay, children, next the way of dressing also is different, children. What is that? In villages the way of dressing that is different, in town it is different, children. So in villages we can find what is that? Buffaloes, cows. We can see n number of, but in town not like that. We can see very less. Otherwise, sometimes we can't see. Okay, children. Next, in villages everywhere greenery we can see. In towns we can't see fields. In village, pollution free. Free means there is no pollution. In town, full of pollution. As children. So in villages, we can find in some villages hills, HILLS. Okay. In towns, tall buildings we can see only. Nothing to see hills. We can't see hills in town. So, if we tell continuously like that, a lot of differences we can find, children. So, between town and country. So many, few I told you, few more are there, but these are the differences enough to understand. Okay, children. Second question. Where would you like to live, in a town or in a village? Where would you like to live? In village or in town? If anyone asks me the question, definitely I would like to live in village, children. Why? Because everywhere peaceful, everywhere greenery. So what is that? compare with this generation, village better children. In town everywhere pollution, everywhere noise, I don't like. So I would like to live, if anyone asks me where would you want to live, definitely I shall tell to live in village children. Next, where do you think life is peaceful? Why? Third question. So where do you think life is peaceful? Definitely life is peaceful village children. Next, connection. Why? Why means children, there is no pollution, there are no n number of autos, rickshaws, vans, buses, like that. So everywhere greenery. What is that? Cool breeze blows always. Breeze is nothing but air, cool air. Okay, so in the evening we can sit different, okay, neighbors, everyone sits at one place and they talks. So whatever children they play with from different families. So everywhere we can see unity, we can enjoy. So whatever it may be, definitely we can observe peaceful in village only. Third question. Fourth question. Do animals feel same like you? We can't say why, because they don't have a voice na. We can't understand their feelings now. Of course a few feelings we can understand. I mean, like if the cow, suppose cow, if the cow is hungry, it what is that, it makes a different sound. So like that, some we can understand, but their mindset, their way of thinking, can we understand? We can't tell. So whatever it may be, do animals feel the same like you? About animals we can't say. Okay children. So and then so this is about trigger page children. Next one. To understand any lesson in better way, first of all we have to learn glossary children. If we understand glossary well, then the total lesson we can what is that, it can be understood in better way. Yes children. So first let's learn glossary children. Children, first meaning, country. Country means it's nothing but village. Country means it's nothing but village. Next, affectionately. Affectionately means lovingly. Lovingly. Next, pack. Suppose if you want to go to Camp Tirupati, so do you pack or not everything? Luggages, I mean blanket or towel or two pairs of clothes, all these, do you pack or not? That is pack. Pack is nothing but put all things at in one thing, and putting in one thing, it is called pack. Okay, pack is nothing but, here I am reading out children, to put clothes etc into a bag in preparation for a trip away from home. Okay, all things to put in one thing. Okay, like bag. So it is called pack. Next, uncomfortable. It means unpleasant. Unpleasant. Uncomfortable means unpleasant. Unpleasant is nothing but unhappy. Next, grumble. Grumble means to complain about something in a bad tempered way. In a bad tempered, to complain about something in a bad tempered way. Yes children. Grumble means to complain against something in a bad tempered way. Next, chug. Chug means to move, making the sound of an engine. Before the train start, it makes some sound. It indicates train is ready to start. So the sound is called a chug. Next, last meaning, dreadful. Dreadful means very bad. Dreadful means very bad. Once again I am going through children. Country, it is nothing but village. Country means village. Next, affectionately. Affectionately means lovingly. Next, pack. Pack means keep all things in one thing in your bag, like that. Next, uncomfortable means unpleasant. Unpleasant means unhappy. Next, grumble. Grumble means complain about something in a bad tempered way. Next, chug. That means to move, making an sound of an engine. Okay. Next, dreadful. Very bad. Dreadful means very bad. Yes, children. Now I shall start the lesson, children. So what is the title of the lesson? The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse. Yes, children. That is the title of the lesson. Okay. So I am going to start the lesson, children. Here is the story of the town mouse and the country mouse. Would you like to know how the town mouse feels when he visits the countryside? Yes, children. Here we are discussing about two mouses, children. That is town mouse and the country mouse. So, would you like to know? Do you want to know how the town mouse feels when it visits countryside? Suppose town mouse visits countryside, children. Country. It came from town to country. Then, which type of how it feels? How the country mouse feels when it comes to country? So, do you know? Do you want to know? Okay, now let's know, children. Okay. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. So, they often wrote to each other. One day, the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. Yes, children. So, the town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. Cousin, children. Cousins. Okay. Cousin means your mother, sister, son, or your father, son or daughter. Otherwise, your father, brother, son or daughter. Cousin, as children. It's a brother or sister. So, the town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. Next, they often wrote to each other. That means they regularly, they write letters to each other. Town mouse write letter to country mouse write letter to town mouse. This is common. This is quite often. Next, one day the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. One day the country mouse received a letter from town mouse. So who wrote letter? Town mouse wrote letter. Who received the letter? Country mouse received the letter. So what is the matter in the letter, children? So let's see here. So this is the letter, children. This is the letter. This is the letter received from town mouse. Children, top right side, children, right side from address. Kitchen cupboard, mouse town, date 11th March 2012. Yes, children. So in page top right side from address, children. So kitchen cupboard means it not in village, town. So this is the letter writing from town. Who are writing letter? Town mouse. Yes, children. Town mouse address. So kitchen cupboard, mouse town, 11th March 2012. Okay. Dear cousin, started like that. Dear cousin, I have been ill with a cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. So he has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. This is the body of the letter, children. This is the content of the letter. Yes, what is the letter? I have been ill with a cough. I have been ill. Ill meaning sick. Sick means unwell, not feeling well. Yes, children. So I have been ill. That means I am not good. My health is not good. Who is telling? Who is telling? Town mouse telling. Town mouse wrote letter. So I have been ill with a cough. What is the problem? Which type of problem is the town mouse facing? Coughing, children. So I have been ill with a cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. So doctor told me to take rest for 1 week. For 1 week. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. So the doctor asked me I need to take rest for 1 week and spend 1 week in countryside, in the country. So may I stay with you? May I stay with you? Country mouse, town mouse asked country mouse. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, yours affectionately, town mouse. Town mouse. Children, in page bottom left side, two address children. Two address. To whom the country mouse? To whom the town mouse writing letter? Town mouse is writing letter to country mouse. What is the two address? Country mouse, the mouse hole, mouse country, yes children. Okay children. So receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. Yes children. So town mouse wrote letter to country mouse. Country mouse read it. Read it, study, okay, read it. So country mouse wrote a letter to town mouse. What is the letter? Okay, you can come and stay with me 1 week, no problem. So like that, given reply. So country mouse also wrote letter to town mouse. So after receiving the letter from countryside, the town mouse packed the luggage, clothes, everything it packed and caught the next train. It went to railway station and train is ready. So it entered into the train. So the day was bright and sunny. Soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train, as children. So the day was, how was the day? The day was bright and sunny. Bright means full of light. Okay. And sunny. Sunny means sunlight. Sunlight is called sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Yes, children. So the day was bright and sunny. And soon the town mouse feels uncomfortable. Soon the town mouse began to feel hot. In the train. So the town mouse train started towards countryside. So the day was bright and sunny. So the town mouse feels uncomfortable. So it feels very hot in the train. Who feels very hot in the train? Town mouse. So I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. He said to himself, I feel very uncomfortable here. Yes, children, the town mouse said to himself that it would be better if there will be an air-conditioned coach. Air, A, in air, A, conditioned, in conditioned, C, AC, coach. So the town mouse said to himself, weather is very hot. So if it would be there, an air-conditioned coach, it would be better. So it feels like that. Who feels? Town mouse. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. As children. So, however, there was nothing he could do about it. There was nothing. He wished to be an air-conditioned coach. But is there any AC coach in the train? Nothing. So nothing to do. There is no air-conditioned coach. So he grumbled. That means complain about something. The weather is not good na. There is no air-conditioned coach na. That's why he is grumbling. Grumbling means complaining himself only. He is scolding himself. So he is grumbling to himself while the train chugged. Chugged means to make move. What is that? To move, making a sound of an engine. So train is ready to start from town towards country. So train started, children, slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Yes. For what? Why the country mouse was waiting at the station? To receive town mouse as children. Next. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. Okay, children. Once again, I am reading. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. As children. So, as soon as he, okay, the train reached country station. So, as soon as the train reached, as soon as the town mouse got down from the train in front of who is there? Country mouse is waiting. So, immediately the town mouse said, "Oh, cousin." Oh, cousin, that the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. So he wished like that. Oh, cousin, who wished? Town mouse wished. Country mouse. The train was dreadful. The train was dreadful. As children, it was very not good. The train was very dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I feel very terribly fearful and it's very hot. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. I hope at your home there will be an ice cold. Ice cold means like a cooling water. Cooling water. So is there? I think. I hope. He who said town mouse said, I am thirsty. I hope there will be an ice cold water at your home. Town mouse said to country mouse. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. Okay, I have some water. Not it is cold, not it is cool, not it is fridge water, nothing it is else. Just water I have at home. But if you want to drink, if you like, so I shall give you coconut water. So it looks around about coconuts to offer to town mouse. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? Coconut water? Coconut water? It said like that. Who said? Town mouse said. Coconut water? Is not there any ice cold juice or lemonade? Ice cold juice. Okay. Sorry, orange juice, ice cold water. Otherwise, what is that? Lemonade. Is not there such things at your home? Who questioned like that? Town mouse questioned like that. Whom? Country mouse. I am afraid not, replied his cousin, but I found a very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. Yes, children, what it is telling? Today, such things I don't have at my home, but is a nice bit of root, raw food. What is the meaning of RAW? Raw? Not cooked, not cooked. Cooked opposite raw. Okay, raw, RAW. So a nice, what is that? A nice bit of root and a tender bit of sugar cane. Sugar cane, it's very sweet na. So such food is there at my home. It said like that. Who said? Country mouse said to town mouse. Definitely you will enjoy it. So country mouse said like that to town mouse. Root? Sugar cane? The town mouse exclaimed. Exclaimed means wondered. Root? Sugar cane? Like that it wondered. Who wondered? Town mouse wondered. But I don't eat raw food like that. But I don't eat raw food like that. Such a raw food I don't eat. Uncooked food I don't eat. Who said? Town mouse said. What country mouse offered? A nice bit of root and a tender bit of sugar cane offered. But town mouse said that I don't eat such a raw food. The country mouse said, "This is what we can eat. This is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it. It's not bad." Then country mouse said, "No, this is the food what we eat in country. So this is not bad. So you can also eat. Nothing problem. What we eat here, this is the food only. It is not bad. So you also can eat. Nothing will happen to you." It said like that. Who said to whom? Country mouse said to town mouse. The town mouse did not enjoy the dinner at all. So he nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. As children. So the town mouse not at all enjoyed with the food, with the raw food. It ate somewhat, but it not at all it enjoyed. Okay, so he nibbled. That means a small piece and piece it eats only. Then town mouse wants to sleep, children. Children, if we like any food, we eat fast na, we eat more na, but here not like that, children. What is that? The town mouse did not enjoy the dinner. That's why it nibbled. That means a small pieces and pieces it eats just for sake. Yes, children. Next. So town mouse wants to sleep now. So the country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, "There you are. You can sleep there." Yes, children. So then town mouse wants to sleep na. Then country mouse showed a corner to sleep and said, "You can sleep there." So there you are. You can sleep. It said like that. Okay, it said like that. Yes, children. On the ground, asked the town mouse, "Do I have to sleep on the ground?" On the ground? Do I have to sleep on the ground? So town mouse questioned country mouse like that. "Yes, this is how we sleep in the country," his cousin answered. "Yes, on the ground. This is how we sleep every day. On the ground, like that only we sleep every day." It replied like that. Who replied? Country mouse replied. Next, as the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. "Cousin," he called out. Okay, whatever it may be, with the difficulty, he slept on the ground. So as soon as it slept on the ground, suddenly, how was the ground? It was hard, cold ground. It was hard and cold, children. It was not soft, hard, cold. It was like that. So children, suddenly he thought of and got up and called out his cousin. "Yes, what is it?" the country mouse asked. Okay, what is it? Why? What happened? It asked like that. "Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and the lorries? Where are the radios and televisions? Where are all the lights?" Yes, that is because this is already habituated to town life now. But this is a country. This is country. First time it came to country. So here atmosphere is different with the town. Every day it used to sleep. It used to habituated to, every day it is habituated to town life. First time it came to country. So that is full of noise, here full of silence. Yes, children, that's why it is questioning. Suddenly got up and questioning country mouse. Where are all these lights? Where are lorries and trams? Where are cars? Where is noise? So it questioned like that. Everywhere quiet. Where? Okay, like that it questioned, children. Next. "This is how it is in the country," his cousin replied. No. Such noise, such sounds we can't find here. This is how in the country. Every day it will be here. like that only. So it's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. Sometimes it is quieter than today. As children in towns, televisions we can in every house televisions are there. Lorries, cars, radios, everywhere noise. But here not like that, na. This is village. Okay, so sometimes it is quieter than today. Today is very quiet, but sometimes it is more than quieter, more than today. So my grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. So our grandfather told me that our village is the quietest village in the whole district. So he said to me like that, "Oh, is it?" Then town mouse questioned, "Oh, is it?" The country mouse is a strange. The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, "I don't think I don't. What is that? I like. I don't think I like this place." As children. So whatever it may be, town mouse did not like this place, children. Town mouse did not at all like this place, children. Why? Because completely different between town and country, as children. Those who lives in country, they can't live. The persons they can't live in. Those who lives in town, they can't live in town. They can't live in country. Those who lives in country, they can't live in town. Okay. Suppose since 20 years they are living in country. Okay. So when they come to town, they can't stay more days. So they are living since 20 years they are living in country, town. Okay, whatever it may be, those who are living in town, they can't live in country. Those who are living in country, they can't live in town. Of course, once you try, children. When you go to your relative's house 2 to 3 days or 10 days, it is not problem. But continuously, if you want to stay, you can't. Next. So next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm to search for food. So the next day, okay, that night is over. The next day, it plans to take breakfast, but breakfast was not ready. Why? Because they have to go to farm and they have to search for food. They have to eat. That is the daily routine in village, country. Okay. So we are sure to find something there. He said a nice piece of food or a tender bit of sugar cane. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I shall catch the next train. Home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. Immediately it said it. What is that? It can be understood by the town mouse. So man-made food not available. So for breakfast also we have to go to farms and we have to search for tender bit of sugar cane and root. So it's not possible for me. So that's why he planned like that. Cousin, I have forgotten in town something. So immediately I have to start from here. So for the next train I shall go to town. Okay, I shall go for train to go to town. So it said like that. Who said? Town mouse said to country mouse. So country mouse planned to go to town. The next morning only one day stayed there. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter, as children. So a few days later, okay, town mouse went to town. So a few days later, the country mouse wrote a letter to his cousin country mouse, town mouse. So the town mouse, here is the letter. Understood, children? Town mouse went to town. After few days, country mouse wrote letter to town mouse. So what is there in the letter? Let us see next class, children. Okay. So on this class, Siva sir will send you question paper. I mean online exam. So observe this video carefully. If you don't understand, watch twice or thrice. But you have to get good marks, children. This is the video for today. Thank you, Ananda.